Hi, it's me, Steffen Gothe, from the Satellite Application Facility on Climate Monitoring, the CM SAF. So in this video I want to show you what the CM SAF R Toolbox is and how you can get some really nice results from your CM SAF NetCDF data. But first of all, I will briefly explain what the CM SAF is. The Satellite Application Facility on Climate Monitoring is part of EUMETSAT's SAF network. We develop, generate, archive and distribute satellite-derived climate data records of products of the energy and water cycle, such as surface radiation and sunshine duration, clouds and cloud properties, and precipitation and water vapor. The CM SAF provides several long-term climate data records with regional or global coverage. Detailed information on our data and services can be found on http://cm-saf.eumetsat.int. Okay, all this information might leave a lot of questions, such as what is NetCDF, where can I get the data, or most important, how can I work with the data? That's why we developed the CM SAF R Toolbox, to make the start with CM SAF data a little easier and to give you one easy-to-use tool to prepare, to analyze and visualize your data. Isn't that cool? The toolbox is based on the scientific programming language R, which is free, easy to learn and has a huge worldwide community. But don't worry, you don't have to learn R to use the toolbox. But if you don't have it already, you will have to install R. But you can easily download R for free from all main operating systems from khan.r-project.org. And my recommendation is to work with RStudio. That's a nice environment for R. And you can easily download RStudio for free via www.rstudio.com. Installing the CM SAF R Toolbox is quite easy. In RStudio you go on Packages, Install, type CM SAF and click on Install. Load the CM SAF R package with a library command and start the toolbox with a Run Toolbox command. Based on an example, I want to demonstrate how you can use the CM SAF R Toolbox to get easily from your downloaded tar files to some cool results. For further details on how to get CM SAF climate data, have a look at our web user interface. The Prepare step helps you to get from your downloaded tar file to one ready-to-use NetCDF file. So first of all, choose the tar file. Then you have the option to select the time range. Now you get a preview of the included region, which you can change on your own. You can select a variable or the NetCDF format, and finally you get one NetCDF file including all time steps, which is ready to be analyzed or visualized. Analyze step is an interface to the functionality of the CM SAF R package, which offers more than 60 operators to analyze and manipulate your NetCDF file. Just explore the multiple options. So for this example, I'm interested in seasonal anomalies. Just select and apply, and the results will be written in your defined output folder. The Visualize step gives you the opportunity to create easily and fast plots from your results. This tool offers a lot of options for adaptations, such as different color bars, country borders, add own locations, or different projections and many more. In addition, you get some statistics on your data and information about metadata. And in the end, just save your figure. Okay, let's do this one more time. Now we want to select one location. Use select data for a given point. Give the coordinates, in this case for Offenbach. And apply the operator. Now you get the time series of surface downwelling shortwave radiation for Offenbach from 1983 to 2015, and you can easily analyze this plot and save. So within a few minutes we got some really impressive results, which might be the start for further investigations. Now you are ready to explore the CM SAF R Toolbox on your own. If further questions arise, have a look at the information material which is provided on our website, read the recently published Toolbox paper, or just write a mail to our user help desk. I'm Steffen Kote, thanks for watching.